Hey guys, welcome to Zax PixelPlay. Today, we're designing a stunning Instagram post just like this, all in Canva. Let's jump right in and bring this idea to life. First things first, let's start with a blank canvas. I'm selecting the 4:5 aspect ratio for this design, which is perfect for Instagram posts. Now, let's choose a background color. I'm going for a minimal gradient effect. Search for pre-made gradients. Pick one that fits the vibe you're going for. Adjust the colors to create the perfect look. Time to add some texture to the background. Go to Elements and search for pattern designs. I'll list all the element names I used in the description. Choose a pattern that complements your gradient and place it on the canvas. To blend the pattern with the background, select a rectangular shape and apply a gradient fill. Edit the colors. Set one side to 0% transparency and align it with the pattern. Now, let's add the main object. Simply upload your file, or choose an object from Elements, and place it on the canvas. To add depth and make the object pop, apply shadows and adjust the values. Start by increasing the distance to separate the object from the background, then tweak the rest until it looks just right. Next, let's add some text to make the design more engaging. Play around with the size, spacing, and positioning to make it stand out. Choose a font that fits the overall aesthetic. Now for the small details. Go to Elements and search for a globe icon. Place it at the bottom of the canvas. Search for a phone icon and place it next to the globe. Adjust the icon colors to blend seamlessly with the design. In the top corner, I'm adding the logo and brand name for that professional touch. To make the design even more eye-catching, add a rounded corner triangle at the edges. This small touch increases visual interest. Small details like this help make your design stand out. Finally, let's add the Shop Now button to drive engagement and encourage viewers to take action. And there you have it, the final design. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Zax PixelPlay for more awesome design tips and tricks.